identify misinformation and fake news. Naintindihan? Again? Again? So, our lesson summary naman, in this lesson, learners explore the definitions of the differences between misinformation and fake news. Okay lang. What do you mean by misinformation? Naman, ikaw. Indo. Video na ako muna. What do you mean by misinformation, Indo?
Amo to gina, sir, anong
Gina.
na mga information na ginapilit mo ni Moon.
Ha?
Ano na?
Misinformation. Nasa ginawa still, Santara. What do you mean by misinformation, Gina? It is false information about that one. O sige, salin mo.
Ang misinformation is ano siya, unintentional.
Diba? Wala misinformation. So, false information, hindi mo mabunod na share, kami mo mabunod na mabalita. But not in this true. One, information. How about disinformation naman? Intentional, but to deceive and also mislead. Kung magkaiba na gawas, ang dis kag miss. Ang miss is not intentional, ang dis is intentional. How about fake news? So, ano siya kaibahan sa disinformation? Sige, mga stories or mga balita. Mga fake news. So, also, what are the common techniques used to spread false information online? The importance of digital critical skills, the practical strategies to verify information before sharing it. That's our lesson. So, there are 3 questions. Verification. So, meron ko 15 minutes. Can I get 1 more sheet of paper? Honest. Okay, so answer this following. And tomorrow we'll have a quiz about this lesson. And the next day we'll have a long quiz all about this lesson. Ayun na. 3 minutes ka na question. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tomorrow up, prepare tomorrow up for our work quiz. What's this lesson? On Wednesday, magkanala. So tomorrow we'll take quiz about this lesson. Sa Wednesday naman, about all of the lessons, preparation for your examination. That means now. 10 minutes po. 12 minutes po. What? Okay, ang time minutes naman.
Yes.
Pato po. For 4 hours.
Sir, ebisite.
And also tomorrow, prepare for the